Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix AniMixPlay.to not working. So guys, first thing that you will do is just go to your Google and search for AniMixPlay Twitter. And then from here guys, usually when the server is down, they will have an update over here. And as you can see over here, they have some updates like unfortunately we decided to shut down the site, and as you can see they have multiple updates over here when their website is down. So guys, for the second solution, if the server is not down, all you have to do guys is just go to your browser settings. So just click on the three buttons over here at the top right corner, and then from here go to the settings down below. And then now on the top, just use the search button and search for clear browsing. So from here guys, make sure to click on the browsing history, the cookies and other site, and also the cache images and files. And just make sure to toggle it all time. And then from there guys, make sure to clear data. And then from there, just relaunch your web browser and go to AniMixPlay. And then from there, you should be able to use AniMixPlay website. But guys, if this doesn't work, all you have to do is just go to the Google and run a speed test on your computer. And just search for run speed test. And then after that, tap on the run speed test. So guys, usually the minimum is 5 Mbps to 10 Mbps. But guys, if it's lower than that, you might need to contact your internet service provider to get help. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!